Hello everyone, welcome back. We have another question to solve today, and the question we are solving today is on exponential logarithm. Now let's do justice to the question. We are given 16 log 4 x minus 2. If you look at this question very well, we need to simplify, especially this 16. We need to simplify it to the barest minimum. Of course, we know that 16 is a multiple of 4. So we are going to simplify it in terms of 4 because there is a 4 here. That means we are going to have 4 raised to power 2 for this 16. We have our log 4 x minus 2 plus 10 log x plus 1 minus 4 log 4 5 is equal to 0. From here, we can move this coefficient here. It will serve as a power. If we do that, we are going to have 4 log 4. Then we have x minus 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 10 log. There is no base here, but in our mind, we are going to assume that there is a base there, and the base we are going to consider there is 10. That means here I will have 10 x plus 1, then minus 4 log, the 4 log is power, log 4 5 is equal to 0. There is a certain law of exponential logarithm that is given when you have something of this nature, a to the power of log a, then we have x. This and this we cancel, and our answer will be x. This law is what we are going to apply to this, and this. If we should apply this law now, that means we have a certain answer here. The answer here will now be x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus the 10 to be cancelled here. We have x plus 1. Then here we are going this one to be cancelled. We have minus 5 is equal to 0. So as you can see, we now have a quadratic equation of which we are going to simplify of which when simplified further, we are going to arrive at a quadratic equation which we can factorize to get the value of x. So from here, if you simplify this, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4, then plus x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Simplifying this now, we have x squared, we have minus 4x plus x. Then here we have plus 4 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So from here we are going to arrive at x squared minus 3x. This will give us plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 will give us 0. So the constant term is totally eliminated. So here we are left with x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. We can simplify this now. If you simplify this now, we are going to have x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. This implies x is common. We have x into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So our x will now be equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x will now be 0, or x is equal to 3. We are going to stop here for now, and we'll take it off from here next time. Thank you for watching. God bless.